Hello everyone, welcome to class. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use this hoop. This is called embroidery hoop. I see. I told you earlier that we have two types. We have the wooden one and the plastic one. So what I got is the plastic one. So I'll show you how to use it. So this is how it comes. So there is a screw here. I see. If you screw it like this, you will disassemble it. So this is how it will look. So I'm going to show you how to use it on the fabric. So let's watch. So first thing, we have our fabric here. So this is the fabric we'll be using. So you make sure to cut the part that will be enough for your hoop. Are you seeing? Make sure you cut the part that will be enough for your hoop. So for me, this is how it will be. So before I start, or you can place it after you cut it out. Hope you understand. So I just go ahead and place this part here. You see that there is a part that have this screw here. You leave it, put this part under, then you place your fabric that you want to use this way. Are you seeing? Then remember you screw this side open. You're not going to place it. Are you seeing? You're not going to place this one like this on top. Are you seeing? So this is that. It's very simple. Just make sure that it's firm. Then you screw. You screw it like this. Make sure that it's tight. Are you seeing? So this is it. So after that, you can just go ahead and cut around how you want your yours to be. So if you are using if it's already on a beaded on a plain dress that you want to bead, you don't need to cut it out now. You just make sure you fix it in where you want to bead and tight it this way, and that's all. I hope you understand. So make sure that it's firm. So it's just for you to hold your fabric firm like this. So that's just it. So I'll just go ahead and cut out the part that I need for this tutorial. You see? So this is how it will be. So see, this is the back part and this is the front part. So make sure that this screw is tight so that as you are beading it will not pull off. So this is it.